Welcome to Innovin Foods. Today I'm sharing an eggless tea time fruit cake made with regular teacups used at home for measuring. Soft, simple, and perfect with a cup of tea. Let's start the recipe. Take a regular teacup used at home for measuring. Sieve 1 cup flour, 1/4 cup milk powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Always sieve dry ingredients for a lighter cake. Keep aside. In another bowl, add half cup curd, half cup powdered sugar, add 1/4 cup oil, and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix well until smooth. Now add the sieved flour gradually and mix gently. Add 1/4 cup milk and mix well to make a smooth batter. Mix the batter gently to avoid a dense texture. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoon peanuts, 2 tablespoon raisin, 2 tablespoon tutti frutti, and 1 teaspoon flour. Mix well. Coating fruits with flour prevents sinking. And add this to the batter. Grease a 6-inch mold with oil and place baking paper. Pour the batter evenly. Place a pan with a wire stand and preheat for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Cook the cake for 30 to 35 minutes on medium-low heat. Keep flame medium-low for even cooking. Eggless cakes rely on curd for softness and moisture. Teacup measurement makes baking easy for beginners. Fruit cakes are perfect for everyday tea time. This cake tastes even better the next day. Cool completely before slicing. Homemade cakes avoid preservative and additives. Nuts and dry fruits add fiber and energy. Eggless cakes are lighter and vegetarian friendly. Control oil makes it suitable for regular snacking. Your eggless tea time fruit cake is soft, moist, and perfect with tea. Serve it fresh or pack it for evening snacks. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Innovin Foods for more easy baking ideas.